How are you off camera?
Every day you have to wake up and be two people. विराट कोहली edit देखने लगता हूँ कि motivation एकदम हो कि काम करना है. Come on, it's not. Every day you need to wake up and you need to work no matter what you're feeling. Agastya, before content, I was super underconfident.
See, this is the side people don't see.
Sorry, I'm going to move around a little. I'm wearing these leather pants. Sorry, leather pants.
What's your idea of Valentine?
ये चल रहा था ना बीच में. Is somebody gonna match my freak? They match your freak. So that's like the perfect Valentine.
Do you feel that you got that breakthrough that you wanted?
One was when I shot my video with Alia Bhatt.
Hmm.
That was a dream come
The
true.
fruity ad.
The fruity thing. That was a dream come true for me. That's why we're seeing like this crossover between the Hindi film industry and the content creation world right now. Because both have realized that both can use each other. Crazy delusion.
Creator industry is a place where everything changes.
Very fast.
You really don't know what you're believing today might fall flat next day.
100%. What's up? I'm Agastya Shah and you're watching me on Social Catch Up.
Hi Agastya, welcome to
Hello.
Social Catch Up.
Thank you.
Let's catch up with you. What
Let's
has
catch up
happened?
with
Let's
me.
catch up
I
with
like
you.
it.
What is happening?
Okay.
So we
Sorry, I'm going to move around a little. I'm wearing these leather pants.
okay. So we, for context, we just shot
Yes.
our not so Valentine campaign.
Not so Valentine
the
cover, yeah.
outfit might hint something else, but it's
Yeah,
not.
but it's not exactly that. Yeah.
Yeah, so not so Valentine campaign. What was your take on it?
I loved it. I loved shooting with it. I don't want to say the props and everything, but like the props and the outfit really made everything come together. And I feel like the approach that we have taken is it's a very dual thing. You're looking at one thing, but it is actually another thing. So I'm very excited for people to see it. It's my first cover also, and I'm happy it's with Social Catch Up. So yeah, I'm really excited for people to see it, and it was too much fun shooting it.
Okay. We've discussed in off camera as well that we know that each one of us are very different when from what we are
Yeah.
on a field. So how are you off camera?
So I ask people this sometimes when I meet them for the first time that do you think I'm the same person on and off camera? Usually 99% I get I'm the same person. But obviously there are aspects to me which people don't maybe know because I've chosen to keep that some things at least about my life private. So I feel like I'm more or less like 99% the same, but that 1% is just me for myself, which I don't even want people to see. It's like मैं कुछ भी कपड़े में घर पे बस बैठ के सो रहा हूँ, Netflix देख रहा हूँ, कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ. Like I don't want people to see that because I'm like ये क्या है? Like ये क्या कर रहा है तू? वैसे you know when you're in your
वैसे,
comfort
comfort
zone.
zone.
But yeah, otherwise I think I am pretty much who I am, and I think that is why I feel like I have this connect with my audience also. Yeah, I've never tried to put up a front that मैं ऐसा हूँ or you know try to show it in some way. I've always been very real, very authentic because I feel like if you put up a front, at some point it's
मतलब कब
gonna
तक वो वैसे
कब तक
portray
ही
कर
होगा
सकोगे?
and it gets tiring also. ना सोचो every day you have to wake up and be two people, one online and one
One
offline.
offline.
Like it's exhausting. You can't possibly do it. So I'm the same person.
Okay, so we know Agastya on
Yeah.
camera. We have seen you
Yeah.
since you started creating content.
Mhm.
But tell me about Agastya before that. How
Agastya, before content.
before becoming a content creator, how
Hmm.
like how do you go back and you say that okay, this I was like this in my school days?
I was super underconfident in my school days. I would I wouldn't say I would shy away from if I had some attention on me, but I felt like I could not live up to that attention. कि अगर मैं annual day I was acting in the annual day, I felt like अगर मेरा रोल है ना तो थोड़ा imposter syndrome जैसा हो रहा था कि ऐसा क्यों वो people are clapping for me, it's a cool thing. But then after content I've kind of grown into that. I feel like I realized that I'm capable of these things and that imposter syndrome is not gone, but like it's still there. But yeah, then another thing about me before was I would not overthink about anything, and today I overthink about everything I overthink about.
But how
Um,
come?
Yeah, I think specific to content creation, I feel like there is a responsibility on creators also कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं. Like तुम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं तो बस ये कर रहा हूँ या ये कर रही हूँ. You don't need to get influenced by it. I am तो but you need to understand you have people who are watching you. You like it or no, like you have responsibility on you. So यार उसकी वजह से थोड़ा-थोड़ा कभी-कभी ओवरथिंक करना है कि I don't want to do something wrong. I don't want to just not mess things up and do something insensitive for no reason.
Because you have your bread and butter on it.
That's also there. That's though not even the main reason, very honestly. I just want to be a good person and do the right things. I don't want to do the wrong things because I feel like agar ek, even if it affects one person na, that doesn't fit right with me.
But do you feel pressurized?
I don't feel pressurized necessarily. I feel like it is just something innately in me. Like I keep telling my audience also to chase their dreams and to believe that they can do it. And I like to show them my ups and my downs also. Because I feel like that shows the reality of the situation. So I don't feel pressure because I'm not trying to show that my life is perfect in any way. So matlab it just comes. Matlab go with the flow vibe. Honestly, like it's works the best for me.
Okay. We all know you started in during lockdown.
Yeah.
But I know a lot of people started during it. But
Yeah.
what made you start it?
What made me start creating content? So I actually blew up in the lockdown. I was making TikToks for a year before that. On TikTok, I had some 15,500 followers. I remember when it shut down. And before TikTok, I was making keyboard covers on my Instagram
Yes.
for almost 5-6 years. So I've been actually making content since I'm 13. Like keyboard
So-
covers and then
I've
TikTok.
seen that video.
Yeah?
When I'm talking to you, I can recall that.
Yeah. So it's like a little potato, baby Agastya, who's sitting and playing the keyboard. So yeah, I've been using tripods and stuff since then. Or if I didn't have it, I would chair pe rakh diya ya makeshift stuff like that. So पता नहीं, that तो I just started कि school में थोड़ा cool लगता था कि Instagram page है, keyboard covers बनाता हूँ at that point of time. But अभी तो अच्छी बात है, चल गया मतलब.
Do you miss making those videos now?
I do, and a big 2025 goal also was to start playing. It's not even to make videos. I actually I left that hobby because things just got too busy and there was too much to do. But I felt like that was something which calmed me down a lot. Like me and my keyboard time was like, bro, I was at peace. And at one point, bro, I could play any song. Like you give me any song, I'll play it. And I miss that skill about me. So now if I start playing the keyboard, I think initially मैं बस खुद के लिए बजाऊंगा. And once in a while, I might spice it up and post a keyboard cover. Yeah.
Nice. I think a lot of people don't relate that side of yours that much because they've not seen it.
Yeah. Yeah. I've posted here and there kabhi kabhi. I think मैंने 3-4 डाले होंगे in the last 4-5 years. But whenever I've put it, I've got a good response. And it's always like, oh, old Agastya's back, or oh, we didn't know you could do this also. So it's one of these two responses. And I don't know, let's see. Maybe music come back sometime. I don't know.
But I still want that answer that how come you started making videos like these, like a comedy set videos?
So I used to make comedy videos on TikTok also. And the switch from keyboard to comedy, I think that's your question.
That's what.
That came when I realized ki school mein in the 11th and 12th standard, 10th, 11th standard, naturally whenever I would make jokes na, people would be entertained. They were laughing. And I thought ki chalo, why not try to make content like this? Because I have obviously seen like Prajakta Kohli's content. I've seen Lily Singh's content, all of, like Bhuvan Bama, Ashish Chanchalani, all of these guys. And I would love it. Like I would laugh at them. And I was like, why not try? Matlab, kya hi ja raha hai? So I started making videos around school life, around family life and stuff like that on TikTok. And I would mostly do these audio trends. I was not speaking at that time in my videos. And that's where the switch happened. Ki I saw ki school mein log ko pasand aa raha hai thoda thoda. Why not try? Pata nahi फट जाए कोई दिन. So that's how I actually switched to making comedy relatable videos.
And how did your voice of comedy, like as in like how did you find your voice in general? That this is what I want to talk about. This is what I forte. And how has it evolved since you started?
I think I found my voice by just being me. Like I said, any video you see, it is around a scenario that's happened in my life. Like, so I feel like it was never about finding my forte. It was just about picking up my life experiences ki ye teacher ne ye bola tha, ye hua tha, wo hua tha. So it's just picking up from my experiences and refining them, tuning them, and then posting it out. So my content has also evolved like that because in the last 6 months maybe, I've experienced different things, which is what I've posted. Like I did this series with my brother when we went to US, Shah
Hmm.
siblings in USA. So that was what I was experiencing at that point of time. So I made that my content. So whatever is going on in my life, whatever I'm experiencing, I try either in current scenarios or from past scenarios, I pick it up. So that's how my thing will make sure it's constantly evolving. And I won't stagnate and all of a sudden like wake up ki, oh my god, I need to reinvent myself now.
Okay, so this is something I keep asking everyone, especially people who make very relatable content.
Hmm.
So when you are making a relatable content or a comedy content, you have to make sure it's a comedy content, right? You have to make
Yeah.
that it connects with audience. But it's not necessary that every day you are in your best mood.
Yeah.
You are
You
things
don't
that
feel funny.
you don't feel funny.
Yeah,
It's not
100%.
necessary. But you have to put up on a
Yeah,
funny video, a
you
comedy
have to.
video up.
Yeah.
How do you get to that point?
Uh, Two things. One, this is my job now.
Hmm.
Like, no matter what you're feeling, you need to get up and you need to go to work. Like, you know, my work happens in my hall where I shoot. But like, I need to get up, go shower, get ready, and sit or whatever script or work.
Hmm.
So I'm starting more and more and more to treat it like that. Ki even though ऐसा नहीं है कि nobody's making me get up in the morning, मेरे को उठना है. I want to treat it like a 9 to 5. You can say it like
Hmm.
that. And the second thing I use on days where I'm really not feeling it, I use music.
Hmm.
Music is a great way to change your physiology. Like I'll play some like upbeat, peppy song, and that'll like put me in the zone. That'll put me in the mood. That even if I'm not feeling it, I don't think you don't feel funny. Maybe you're just having an off day. Something bad is happening or something. If you get in the zone, then by default, if that's your work zone, like being funny or relatable is my work zone.
Hmm.
So I get put in that zone if I listen to nice music.
But how can a music? I mean, I know music can
Yeah.
change your vibe. It can change. But do you feel that okay? It's okay if I don't feel that way today. I don't feel funny today. I can skip posting.
नहीं, मैं नहीं करता. मैं मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं सेव पोस्ट खोलता हूँ. मैं कोई विराट कोहली एडिट देखने लगता हूँ कि मोटिवेशन एकदम हो कि काम करना है. कम ऑन, इट्स नॉट एवरी डे यू नीड टू वेक अप एंड यू नीड टू वर्क नो मैटर व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग. तो यही सब करते रहता हूँ. माय सेव्ड इज फिल्ड विद दीस मोटिवेशनल थिंग्स फॉर व्हेनेवर आई एम फीलिंग डाउन. विराट कोहली भरा हुआ है पूरा उसके अंदर.
Next time, try Shah Rukh Khan also.
No, Shahrukh Khan, obviously, Shahrukh Khan's also there. Yeah,
Because Shah
obviously.
Rukh Khan also believe that when it's a movie or
Yeah.
anything he's working, he treats it as a work.
Yeah,
He's-
yeah. Shahrukh Khan, correct. Shahrukh Khan's it's a filled with that also. Yeah.
Okay. If you have to go back when you started creating
Yeah.
content, do you think you'll be able to do that again?
What do you mean? Like, I didn't get-
It's sometime, say you started when you started creating content, you started playing when you were 13, like
Yeah.
playing that
Yeah.
piano videos, keyboard videos now.
Hmm.
If you have to go back and do that again, you have to start. It's a TikTok stopped, but you have to if you have to
Yeah.
hit a refresh button to your
100%. I have a tattoo which says day one.
Hmm.
Like that. The point is that every day I want to work like it's my day one. Like no matter the ups, the downs, it's a good day, it's a bad day, whatever day it is, and that's why I got it tattooed here because most of my work happens on my phone
Hmm.
or like when I'm
So
typing
you
a script.
remember.
I keep looking at it. So I'm remembered that every day is day one. Like no matter what happens, I treat it like it's my first day in this industry. Industry बोलने में इतना cool लग रहा है ना. In this industry, media industry.
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem. Yeah. नहीं but industry ऐसे बोलते हैं ना.
Got
Cool लग रहा है.
And if you have to give a word of caution while resetting it,
While resetting, exactly.
while like we discussed that it's a day one for you. If you have to you have reset yourself, your content creation,
Huh,
you're starting from the day one
One
now.
word of caution.
One word of caution for yourself.
It's not going to immediately work.
Hmm.
You have to keep doing it until the day it will work. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि करते रहो. You know कि if you want to get fit in the gym, तुम 1 साल या 1.5 साल constantly करोगे. मतलब तुम्हें पता है ये tangible है. There's proof behind it कि तुम्हारी body बन जाएगी. बट ये तुम 1.5 साल भी करो तो भी कुछ गारंटी नहीं है कि फटने वाला है कुछ कंटेंट. 1.5 महीने भी हो सकता है बट तुम्हारी बॉडी 1.5 महीने में नहीं बन सकती. It's that you have to have that crazy delusion that at some point if I just don't give up, it's gonna happen. That it's not gonna work immediately, and you don't know when it's gonna happen. But the only way it won't happen is if you stop. Otherwise, it's gonna happen if you don't stop.
So you believe in consistency.
Yeah, consistency is very, very, very important.
Okay. So tell me, do you feel that you've got that breakthrough that you wanted?
Yes and no. I feel like I've had quite some hero moments or peak moments. One was when I shot my video with Alia Bhatt. Like that was a dream come
The
true.
fruity ad.
The fruity thing. That was a dream come true for me. So I feel like I had my breakthrough then. But then again, na, it's like ऐसा वेव ऊपर जाता है फिर नीचे आता है फिर स्टेबल रहता है then you work on something
Hmm.
new and then ऊपर जाता है नीचे जाता है. So I think I don't think I keep telling myself this. I don't think I will ever peak, no matter how much ever I peak, because फिर वो दिन मैं complacent हो जाऊंगा ना कि I have peaked.
See, this is the side people don't see.
हाँ, so actually like I'm filled with a lot of motivation and stuff like this. But yeah, that is the thing that I keep to me. But I obviously share to my audience in a way that whenever anything happens, I tell them, guys, I am proof. Like I started making videos on my phone, and today this has happened. Like you can do it too. Doesn't matter if you don't want to make videos or whatever you want to do. If you are just like I said, crazy delusional, if you are consistent, and if you know your dream, and if you're not scared to go after it, it will happen. And that's why, like the AgFam, my community, we're a community of dream chasers. Like we chase our dreams. My second tattoo is also. मैं tattoo plug कर रहा हूँ. Cloud है इधर, showing
That-
dreams. So it's really a part of me. Like sorry, leather pants. Sorry. So it's tattooed on me.
Hmm.
Like because I believe in it. Like I really do believe in it. So yeah, this is the side which now uncovering.
Yeah, see, we're catching up with
Catching
Agastya
up.
for this. I'm also plugging now. Okay,
For
so
sure.
tell me, Agastya, you were very young when you started content creation.
Yeah.
Like you were in
17, 18.
17,
Yeah,
18,
when
and that's
reels, yeah.
it was a time. It is a time in general in anyone's life, a very career defining. Like
Yeah.
you guys, you defined yourself as a content creator as a career, and in my eyes, right now it is a
Yeah.
established career, but then it wasn't.
It wasn't.
So how did you get your parents on board? And were you 100% sure that okay, this is going to be my career?
I was not 100% sure. Like वो crazy delusion तो था ही.
हमेशा से था.
हमेशा से था. How I got my parents involved was I showed proof. Yeah, I showed them, okay, these are the digital numbers that I am on now. Because obviously only for the last 2 years since I finished my education, have I been doing this full time. Before that, when Reels also was blowing up, वो online classes वाला phase चल रहा था. So I was doing both. I was doing assignments in the night and I was shooting in the day. I was attending class while shooting Reels. Dude, once I was shooting a YouTube video and I didn't know my mic was not on mute. I was packing my bag because I was going to Rajkot or something like that, and I'm saying, guys, मैंने gym shoes रखे हैं, मैंने ये रखा है, and मेरे को text आ रहे हैं, मेरे को call आ रहा है बाद में कि अगस्ती, your mic's not on mute, the professor's calling you.
So they
फट गई भाई. So ये सब भी किया है मैंने, and I convinced my parents just after a point कि they were like, complete your degree, वो तो करना ही है. I was like, fair enough, वो कर लूंगा मैं. Then I showed them numbers in terms of social media and in terms of money also. Once tangible money starts coming in, I think they also are doing it from a place of care.
Obviously, that's why
Obviously.
parents. My
Yeah.
question is for that only.
So once you show them tangible results in terms of what you're doing, in terms of a business also, or in terms of money, then it becomes, and it doesn't need to be a crazy amount also. Like it just needs to be something to show कि I'm doing something which is bringing in an income for me also. कि मैं ऐसे भटक नहीं रहा कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा life में. Not like that. So that is, I think, when I could convince my parents I want to do full time.
Okay, so you have your entire life ahead, your entire career life ahead. Do you see yourself making content or being part of creator industry for long?
Yeah, I think only in long term. Like I think very rarely in short term, and I feel like that helps in giving you a lot of perspective as a creator, because we're living in this world, especially as creators, of instant gratification. कि आज तुमने रील डाली है 2 मिलियन 3 मिलियन 5 मिलियन व्यूज चले गए, बट योर नेक्स्ट रील इज नॉट नेसेसरीली गोइंग टू गो. चलेगा बट उतना नहीं चलने वाला. सो यू सी दोस लाइक्स कमिंग इन, तुम रिफ्रेश कर रहे हो, कितने कमेंट्स आए, कितने शेयर्स आए, हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव सीन माय स्टोरी, माय यूट्यूब वीडियो. आई थिंक इट्स दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ instant gratification, and in that you need to remember कि some months are going to be better than other months, some years are going to be better
Hmm.
than other years. And if you really love it, like I don't even only create content to post. Like I like documenting things now. Maybe it's a special family moment or any moment I have just for me, that I can look back on this in like 20 years
Hmm.
and then like bhai maine ye bhi kiya hai life mein. That sense, like this entire Shah siblings in USA thing, rather than content, it was a way of documenting my brother and my dream trip together.
Yeah, because a sibling trip is
Yeah,
very
exactly.
close to your heart.
So I really think in long term, and I think I'm gonna be here for a while.
Great, because I keep asking this because even if we do a lot of things and we do think that this is going to be my future, creator industry is a place where everything changes
Very fast.
very fast. You really don't know
Yeah.
what you're believing today might fall flat next day.
100%.
So you believe in it completely.
I believe in the industry. I know the industry is just going to keep growing and growing and growing. It is just ki I don't know if I'll be doing the same thing I'm doing right now,
Hmm.
but I know I love making videos. Like in one line, I love making videos and I will make videos for the rest of my life. Even if I'm done with social media at some point, I'll still be making videos for me. Like I love just making, like at 13, if I was just making videos,
Videos.
मेरे को cool तो लग रहा था, and I was making videos since then. मतलब almost कितने 5-6 साल I just made videos. मेरे को 250 फॉलोअर थे. Like and I at that point तो यार ऐसा भी नहीं था कि कुछ हो सकता है शायद. वो था एक at back of my mind कि अगर कुछ हो गया तो crazy ही होगा. But I just made it because I enjoyed it.
I think you guys had a proof with established creators as well when made some
Yeah.
name
Yeah.
in this space.
Yeah.
So, Agassi, tell me, we spoke about you in your lockdown phase and the early
Yeah.
content phase, and we spoke about now.
Hmm.
But tell me, do you remember the first time you were recognized in public?
I
Because I can feel that that's the very proud and a very happy moment.
It's a core memory for me because I had manifested this. It was on the day of my 18th birthday, and I had written this down. I remember I had just hit, I think, 50,000 followers, if I'm not wrong, something around there. And I was cycling with my friend outside my school, and on my birthday. And I had written in my notes, I want somebody to recognize me before 24th of September, whatever year it was. And it happened on that. I was like, nahi hone wala. On that day, I was cycling outside with my friend near my school, and a bunch of boys stopped me saying, "Oh, you're the guy who makes videos on Reels, na?" I was like, "Can I take a-" I was like, shit, it happened on the day of my birthday. And I'll never forget that day.
I know that I feel that that is some. I feel that that is something very close to your heart when you know. So till date, my maybe not like the publicly, but whenever my parents go somewhere and if they say, "Oh, we know social ketchup, we know social samosa," they come with like a
Best
chest
feeling.
two and two
Yeah,
two
best
more
feeling.
size
Yeah,
of.
yeah. बेस्ट फीलिंग है, बट द थिंग इज ना, ये मम्मी पापा के साथ हुआ भी होगा, बट मेरे को खाली एक दो टाइम दे हैव टोल्ड मी, बिकॉज माय मॉम इज लाइक, इफ शी टेल्स मी ना, तू चढ़ जाएगा. अरे भाई मैं खुश होऊंगा यार, मैं चढ़ने नहीं वाला इसकी वजह से, बट हुआ है मॉम डैड डैड पीछे से मेरे को बता दे. बट या, इट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग.
Okay, so is there a the video or a sketch or any collaboration that you did and which is very close to your heart, and not because the person you collaborated with, but the video it was, the content that you shot?
uh I think a video that's always going to be my if not favorite, then top 2 is my billboard video that I made surprising my nanu nani and my parents. I don't think any video I can make will ever top that for me, because the feeling of doing that for your family, taking them there, surprising them, and the way the video turned out, I think that is वो है ना, हर हमेशा मेरे उस पे पिन ही रहेगा on my Instagram. पर दूसरा सब अगर जो भी हो जाए, वो वीडियो कहाँ नहीं जा रहा, because it was the most special video to me. So I would say, yeah, that video is always, always, always going to be my most favorite.
Okay, coming to today's theme,
Yes.
the covers theme, the not so Valentine
Not so
theme that we
Valentine theme.
heard. We are calling it as pierced with passion.
Okay.
We are piercing
Yeah.
that. So it's pierced with passion. How do you relate to that thought?
Pierced with passion.
It's a curveball for you.
Yeah, pierced with passion.
Okay, you How do you forget it?
yeah.
How do you relate to the cover now?
Dude, pierced with fashion, but actually I can relate to it. Like it's something like around content, how I think
Hmm.
कि I am that passionate about creating content कि अ, पूरे पूरे दिन दिमाग में वही चलता है, सोते वक्त वही चलता है, खाते वक्त वही चलता है, मैं कहाँ पे भी हूँ, लाइक मैं अभी भी हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं घर जाके कौन सा वीडियो, कौन सा ये एडिट पे बैठना है, ये क्लोज करना है, वो क्लोज करना है. It's always that because I'm so passionate about making videos and I'm so passionate about creating content. So I think pierced with passion, that's what relates to me.
Okay. And what's your idea of Valentine? Because we have clearly killed it here.
Yeah. My idea of Valentine is what? Spending days, months, years with somebody that you really, really love and that like is the yin to your yang.
Hmm.
अब profound भी sound करने का
Yeah,
कभी
बिल्कुल.
कभी.
नहीं नहीं पूरा इससे पहले वाला हाफ पूरा प्रोफाउंड ही साउंड किया.
अच्छा हाँ fine. So मतलब being with being with somebody who matches your vibe exactly, you can be like unfiltered, खुल के जो करना है करो with them and they match your energy. They match your vibe. ये चल रहा था ना बीच में is somebody gonna match my freak? They match your freak. So that's like the perfect Valentine.
And honestly, tell me, do you have any instance where, because you make relatable content, do
Mhm.
you have any instance that are taken from this love kind of thing
Yeah.
around you?
Yeah. अरे my friends, family, everybody, they sometimes tell me ये line तूने मेरे से उठाई है. ऐसे कि तेरे मेरे को credits चाहिए इसके लिए. You know this because of me. मैं ऐसे करता हूँ. My parents especially. Whenever I make a video around house or something, now my parents sit together and watch it and they're like, ये मेरी लाइन है, अच्छा तेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है ऐसे, कि घर पे क्या क्या चलता है. So I keep hearing this from my friends and they sometimes when I'm making that format of video, उनको पता होता है when they watch it only, सीधा मेरे को मैसेज आता है मेरे बारे में ना वीडियो. I was like हाँ. So yeah, वो तो obviously everything is from people and experiences around me.
And how do you tie in concepts like friendship, like love, like passion in your relatable content? Because these are very dicey topics as well when
Yeah.
you make
Yeah.
a comedy on it.
Yeah.
How do you make sure that you're not crossing a line?
I just make sure I don't say something that I can't hear.
Hmm.
Like I try to treat people how I would like to be treated, and I only say things that अगर किसी ने मेरे को ये बोला, I would be fine with it. I wouldn't get offended or I wouldn't get hurt. So I feel like that is a pretty good moral compass and a boundary to have. कि I don't want to. Nobody wants to be the butt of the joke, ना? So why to make somebody else the butt of the joke? ऐसी चीज है. कि you can be funny without being mean also na to somebody. It's just that at least that's my style, that's how I think. So in my videos I poke jokes like younger sibling पे तो मैं इतना मजाक उड़ाता हूँ, like Riditya तो hates me, he doesn't hate me. But उसका तो so when I meet people they're like तू younger sibling ये बोलता है, but funny तो था. Because even though I'm poking jokes at them, they aren't harmful jokes. So yeah, I think it's that only.
Okay. And I think I had missed asking you earlier as well, and I wanted to speak to you about it because a lot of dreams do get fulfilled because of content,
Yeah.
because of social media
Yeah.
in general. What are you dreaming and in general for it, that the dreams that you want social media or your content creation to fulfill, or if you think that they are already fulfilled
Some are
now?
already fulfilled. And honestly, they keep changing. Like I said, I have some short term goals for like a year. But moreover, I have long term goals for like 5 years, 7 years, which I myself don't know what those goals are. I know the direction in which I have to go. कि वो once I come closer to those goals, तभी दिखेगा कि अच्छा ये मेरा गोल था and I didn't even know it. But I just have to start walking in the right direction. So that is how I look at social media goals. क्योंकि it can't purely be number based. You hit 500k, you'll want to hit 600k, 700k. You hit 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5. वो कभी रुकने नहीं वाला. So obviously I have number goals also, but I've learned to detach myself a little bit from these number based goals because I know you can never be
No, so not
satisfied
just
with it.
terms of number based goals.
Yeah.
The goals that I'm also talking about is like for someone, buying a car was just a dream,
Yeah.
and it because they created content,
Yeah.
they are now at least in that capacity that they
Yeah.
can buy a car,
Yeah.
buy a car like that. Or for people who want to be part of a fame game, they are part of
Okay.
there. Or
I got
people
your
who are
question.
like
I got
someone
your question.
else also
I want to travel.
you want to travel.
I want to have that luxury that मैं जब चाहे travel कर सकता हूँ nicely, business class में आराम से बैठ के I can stay at the best hotels, I can visit the best countries, best cities, have the best food. I think that is my dream. Yeah, I can get to travel like that.
तो ट्रैवल कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना था ना.
अरे नहीं पर ऐसे ऐसे सोचा नहीं था ना ये बट जब भी आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आई डॉक्यूमेंट माय जर्नीज व्लॉग्स ये भी किया था मैंने सो एज एंड व्हेन इट कम्स हु नोज वो ही ना हु नोज 3 years डाउन द लाइन आई माइट बी अ ट्रैवल कंटेंट क्रिएटर
Okay, then if that happens, that seed came from here.
that came from you. Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Okay. We talked about good side of content creation.
Yeah.
I want to talk about the dark side of content
Hmm.
that no one talks about. That not the audience following you or following anyone will know. Only people who live in this industry, breathe in this industry,
know.
they know.
Yeah. Yeah, content creation as an industry has its downs also. It takes a big toll on your mental health. Because like I said, you're putting yourself out there for millions of people to judge you. You're like, this is me, judge me however you want. Whether you like it or no, that's what you signed up for. That's the game, right? Some people are going to love you, some people are going to hate you. But that is, I feel like, one negative side of content. Another negative side is तुम इसके अंदर है ना बहुत strategically you need to plan a break because of consistency. Because you have to keep going. You have to keep going. Internet ऐसी चीज है where if you disappear for like 2-3 weeks, somebody new, something new will come up and replace you. Like it's unforgiving, it's brutal, it's cutthroat competition, especially now,
Now,
where everybody wants to be a influencer, a creator. So I feel like ये दो चीजें हैं like burnouts and mental health पे toll लेता है.
and how do you handle burnouts?
I take a 2-3 day just break. मैं कुछ नहीं like मैं phone ही नहीं खोलता, मैं Instagram भी नहीं खोलता. I just either watch Netflix or I've been reading since 2025. ये सब
New
चल रहा है.
thing.
हाँ हाँ I've been reading.
Since
और
2025 में 1 महीना हुआ है वैसे.
हाँ तो एक बुक अभी आधी कंप्लीट हुई है पर बोलने में तो अच्छा लगता है. I've been reading now. Yeah. So read. I spend time with my family, my friends, my partner, my brother, my nanu nani. Like मतलब take nanu nani for breakfast and बस बैठ के बातें
बैठे
करो. हाँ, like that is a nice break for me. Like a day, I go play football with my friends. So and I make sure I schedule these little things in the middle of my calendar also throughout the week. ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि I have to wait for that burnout उसके बाद ही मैं ये सब करूँ. थोड़ा थोड़ा होता है, but some days you just actually can't take a break, right? When you're working on a project or something.
So the second line of dream that comes after becoming a creator
Is actor.
being an
Yeah,
actor.
yeah.
So I get that's something a creator might be interested in
Yeah,
in
for sure.
future.
Because maybe the creator started creating content सोच के कि acting projects नहीं मिल रहे, let me at least showcase my art or talent somewhere else. Maybe that's, I know a lot of creators who started creating content, but they were always actor first. They have done theater, they have done a lot of stuff, and now they are creating content. They're trained to become an actor, and now they are creating content, hoping that the content helps them land a bigger role or a bigger opportunity.
And I've also seen actors becoming creators because they know that they need to
Yeah.
use their social media.
For sure. For sure.
in
100%.
sense.
So many. That's why we're seeing like this crossover between the Hindi film industry and the content creation world right now. Because both have realized that both can use each other. So I feel like it's happening more and more, and it's going to happen more and more in the future.
Yes.
Because it's like it's like two lines, and at some point they were going to meet.
Both are in the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
At least the people who are making sketch videos are
Yeah.
both, at the end the goal is to entertain the audience.
It's to entertain, it's for art also, and it's, yeah, I guess, I mean, both are like you said, in entertainment, and they were like running parallelly, and somewhere एक डिग्री का diversion हो गया और बहुत साल के बाद it met.
Thank you, Agastya. I
Thank
had
you so
fun
much.
chatting with you. I I got to know a different side of Agastya
Yeah.
for sure, and I hope the
You
audience.
like that other side?
I know I
Chalo,
like
thank
that.
you.
I generally know that I'm always pro creators.
Yeah.
I'm always pro creators because I've been with the industry for almost 10 years
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
And I know that there is a lot of substance in creators which generally don't come out. And
Yeah.
then that's what I got to
Yeah.
see in you, that the thought process that you have, the kind of conviction that you
Yeah.
bring onto the table.
Hmm.
So I'm glad we had this
Thank you.
conversation.
Thank you so much for having me on.
I hope you had fun.
I genuinely had lots of fun. I told you the questions were fun, they were different. And I could actually just show a different side of me, which I think was the point
Point
also.
of it.
So yeah, I think we both killed it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching me on Social Ketchup. Like, follow, and download the Social Ketchup magazine now.